Hello, I'm Simon from CareCo, and I'm going to show you how to assemble the Vorex 8 mobility scooter. As you can see, I've taken the Vorex out from the packaging and I've placed that to one side. We have the main chassis of the scooter, which comprises of two components, the front and rear section. We have the seat and the headrest. We have the battery pack, the basket, and also the charger. To finish off, there's a key set and also rear view mirrors. To connect the front to the rear section, I'm going to lift it via the seat post, but I'm also going to hold the handle on the rear section to prevent that from moving. When connecting the two sections together, there are hooks at the base of the front section which fit onto the bar on the rear section. So I place my hand here at the rear section, lift the seat post, bring together, and then simply push down and the two sections fit together. It's worth noting before I install the batteries that when you receive the Vorex 8, it may already be assembled as you see it here, with also the batteries already installed. However, it's important that you remove the batteries because there's a piece of packaging which prevents the batteries from being connected to the mobility scooter, and I'll show you that now. To lift the tiller, we simply release the lever underneath and push slightly to lift the tiller up and out of the way. We can now access the two pieces of foam which are used during transportation. To install the batteries, it's important that we fit them in the correct orientation. We need to install the right-hand battery first and then the left. Lift the battery and place it onto the chassis. Once in position, we take the left-hand battery, place into position, and it connects onto the right-hand battery. When lifting the seat onto the scooter, you may wish to ask for the help from a friend or relative due to the size and weight of the seat. I'm going to show you how I do it on my own. I place it on the side, I line the post on the base of the seat with the post on the scooter. Once in position, I'm now going to turn the seat upright and that pin will fall within the post. I then push forwards on this lever here and that clicks into position. With the seat in position, I can lower the armrests and then with this lever at the back, lift that and pull the backrest upwards. Releasing the lever locks it into position. To install the headrest, you must ensure that the flatter part is towards the back of the scooter. You then simply place the two silver poles into the holes on the backrest. Once in position, you need to press this little button on the side and the headrest can be adjusted both down and up to suit your preference. The rear view mirrors are located onto the tiller into a little threaded hole. As you can see, I've already installed the one on the left hand side, but for the right one, place the thread into the hole and then rotate into position. Once you've set it roughly where you want it, take a spanner and just tighten up the locking nut. You can then adjust the mirror, which is better whilst you're sat on the mobility scooter, but ensure that you fit these little dust covers on top of the nuts on either side. The Vorex 8 comes as standard with a basket which also incorporates a handle. To install, place the bracket onto the bracket on the tiller. With the Vorex 8 now fully assembled, you need to ensure that you charge it for a minimum of 12 hours. Once that's completed, you can then ride off on your scooter, but please ensure that it's in drive mode. It's a lever at the back which you lift up and then the scooter is locked in position and can be driven. You can then enter onto the scooter, place your key in the ignition, and then please ensure that you're in a wide open space, especially if it's the first time that you've driven a mobility scooter. turn the speed down, and then away you go on your journeys.